In news from Afghanistan, a large explosion tore through a Shiite mosque in the southern Afghan city of Kandahar during Friday prayers, killing more than 30 and wounding scores of people, officials said. The second massive attack in a week targeting worshippers from the minority sect, that toll was expected to rise. Moving on, orphanages play an important role in Afghanistan, where tens of thousands of civilians have been killed in wars that have ravaged the country for more than 40 years. The lack of funding since the Taliban took back control of the country is forcing orphanage officials into tough choices. As cash runs low, an orphanage in Afghan capital is struggling to feed its children.
While many girls across Afghanistan remain at home and their brothers go to school, 9-year-old orphan Samira attends classes in her orphanage every day with hopes of becoming a doctor. Samira hails from the northeastern Badakhshan province and has been at the Shamsa Children's Village orphanage for 2 years.
پدرم مرده دیگه میخوایم که در آینده پیلوت شوم دکتر شوم میخوایم که در وطن خود کمک کنم میخوایم که دیگر نفرها را از مریضی نجات بدم.
But as Samira's orphanage runs out of funding and now food, there is a chance that her dreams could be crushed. Ahmed Khalil Mayan, program director at Shamsa Children's Village, says he is cutting back on the amount of fruit and meat he gives the children each week because their home is running out of money.
We don't have enough funding. Donation is unfortunately at zero level. Bank operations are very limited. They are providing just $200 per week. So such a big project cannot be done by $200. As you see the whole project, it's not possible for us. And we are facing problems providing foods and other necessity items for these children.
For the last 2 months since the Taliban seized control of the country and millions of dollars in aid suddenly dried up, Mayan has been desperately reaching out to donors who supported him before. He fears if the situation continues, the orphanage will not be able to function much longer. For the orphanage to shut down would be devastating for the children who receive mathematics, English and computer lessons as well as physical education, not to mention food and shelter. Facing an economic crisis as winter approaches, Taliban officials have urged Western governments to resume aid donations and called on the United States to lift a block on more than $9 billion of Afghan central bank reserves held overseas.